Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to build a very simple mousetrap with this plastic bottle. I've seen this idea circulate online for many years, and quite a few viewers have asked me if it actually works. What you do is you cut off the top, flip it around to make a cone, place bait in the bottom. The mouse will want the bait, drop down, and then they're stuck. It seems pretty simple to build. All you have to do is use a knife. Be careful not to cut yourself. Go around. And there we have our mousetrap. We'll place the bait down below. That will draw them in. This is a pretty simple mousetrap. I'm going to tape the lid to hold it in place. Then we'll set up a ramp and see if the mice go in there and drop down. Let's go set up the motion cameras and see what happens. Well, last night we got another lesson in just how athletic and agile mice are. They are experts at escaping. What happened was, I'll pull off the lid here, they dropped down, then they could jump up, hold on the ridges on the thread, wedge their feet on the edge of the bottle, and escape. They did that time after time, so this pretty much became a mouse feeding station instead of a trap. But I'm going to try it again and improve some things. First of all, I'm going to add some tape on the threads. That way they can't grab it with their little paws and do a pull-up. So we'll go around here. That's much more slippery, so we'll put this back and try it out again. Also, we're going to use a 2-liter bottle. It's slightly larger, and I don't think they can wedge their feet on the side. So we'll cut off the top with this one as well. We'll turn that around and put that in there. I'm going to tape it up. Now ideally, we'd want to wrap the threads on this one, but I'm curious if it's the width that makes it better. That way they can't wedge their feet and escape. So we're going to do straight up 2-liter bottle without wrapping the threads, and on our original we're going to wrap the threads and see if we can catch mice. Well, another night with the exact same results. I thought that taping the threads might keep the mice from grabbing on and climbing out. Also, maybe the wider bottle might help, but it didn't. In both cases, the mice dropped down there, ate the bait, and then escaped. My trail cameras didn't turn on, so I didn't see how they escaped, but they weren't in there when I checked it in the morning. So this is a DIY mousetrap hack that doesn't actually work. But in upcoming videos, I'm going to show you some DIY mousetrap hacks that actually do work. Those videos are coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please consider clicking that button. I've posted over 800 videos on YouTube, And currently I'm posting new videos every Monday and Friday. So if you want to see the best videos on how to catch and sometimes not catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, bulls, and gophers, stay tuned.